You teach?
Name is Jeff Harless. I teach machining technology. My background is straight out of high school, becoming a machinist. Didn't ever really plan on being a machinist, but was accidentally put in it my senior year in high school, fell in love with it. Did dual enrollment, started out Northeast State with machine tool, jumped into machining. First company I worked with was Performance Machining over in Piney Flats, and I've worked all kinds of places and done all kinds of different things from here out, and worked as a machinist in the shop for 10 years before I came here. So the classes that I teach, beginning with the basic class, is Principles of Manufacturing. With Principles of Manufacturing, we teach all things manufacturing. Advanced manufacturing, we cover things like mechatronics, machining, welding, a little bit of robotics. Anything that has to do with the manufacturing field, we talk about it. Then we jump into my machining classes itself. We get into learning how to run manual mills like you see behind me. We have CNC mills that we get into in machining too. And the CNC is really the big deal. That's what we get to do at Skills USA and everything else like that. But the classes itself, we teach them how to run the basic machines, how to do all the processes, how to do the mathematics of it. There's a lot of math into this program, but students really get to learn a lot and be hands-on a lot. So my classes are important because people don't realize that what machinists build is used in everyday life. Whether it's automotive in the car that you get in and drive to work or drive wherever, the things you use in your house, there's a lot of things that are made by machinists that you don't ever realize. It's medical stuff, military stuff. I mean, one spectrum to the other, and machining is one of those trades that seems like a dying trade, but it's flourishing in our area. And it's very important to our area, our industry around this area, especially if you get into automotive machining, CNC machining, it's all there. So, well, I really absolutely love teaching machining. For one, personally, I'm addicted to it myself, but being able to teach students what I know gives me an absolute joy and a thrill. And that's why I do. I can go anywhere else and make a lot more money than I do teaching, but I stick with teaching students this right here because there's a hope and a future for our industry in America. And having that privilege to be able to teach students to have that, that means everything in the world to me.